Hey everyone, this is Segfault. Today I'm testing the thermal performance of Arctic MX-6 on a laptop CPU and GPU die, as laptop commonly suffer from the pump out effect. This thermal paste has high viscosity and a thermal conductivity of 8.5. So now we'll quickly fire up some game and get the readings for comparison. So here's Forza Horizon 6 running on RTX 2060 mobile, and the CPU is Ryzen 4800H. As we can see, the temperatures are peaking up to 98 degrees and it's hovering around 88 to 92 degrees. So let's repaste it and we'll get back to the results. So I have now repasted the laptop, and as you can see, I'm getting much better thermals as compared to before. It's hovering around 78 right now, and I can see it settling around 80 degrees. And the GPU as well, I don't see much difference in GPU temperature, but yeah, it's still a big improvement for the CPU temps. Guys, I think I'm good for 3 to 4 months now before I need repasting. The thickness of the thermal paste is quite good, and I think it should last on the bare CPU and GPU dies of a laptop. I think you should definitely give it a try in your laptops as well, as the results I'm getting from this thermal paste is quite good. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box down below. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.